Hey, it's Marilyn Devonish here, and this is going to be huge amounts of fun. So whether you have spent time endlessly searching for things that can give your health some support and even maybe resolve some old issues, versus being in the place where you want real solutions, if you're on the latter half of that equation, join us for the DNA Detox Day, the health transformation. Now you can have a look at the backstory to this at www.bit.ly/healing-activation-day. And this is designed as a day. We're not making any medical claims about healing anything. This is a way to kickstart your own system and your own natural healing ability. So we would love to have you there. 6 places available. Join us.